Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a mascara review. So I was shopping on Beauty Bay, as you may already see, because I've done a shopping video on YouTube, and I've also done a Beauty Bay haul. So now I'm reviewing some of the products that I bought from that shopping trip, and one is this mascara. So I seen it and I wanted to buy it just because it's £2.50, and to me that is not a realistic price for a mascara that's going to work well. So I really wanted to see, I mean, the reviews were pretty good, the description on the product sounded really good. I wanted to try it out for myself and review it for you guys, so that if it's worth the money, £2.50, I mean, that is a life changer, because mascara can be expensive for a good one. So if you want to see what this mascara is like, how it works, this one's from Wet n Wild, by the way. This is the Mega Protein one. If you want to see how this works, if it's any good, if it's worth the money, £2.50, what an absolute bargain, then carry on watching and enjoy the video. So first of all, my lashes are not the best lashes to be trying a mascara out on, because the top lashes do kind of angle more downwards, so they're not very naturally curly, but my bottom lashes they lengthen really well with mascara, so that'd be a good test. But also I can just curl my lashes to see how well this applies, so I'll try it first on this side normal, and then I'll curl these lashes and see if that makes a difference. But this is the mascara, so it's the Mega Protein mascara by Wet n Wild. I've actually never tried any Wet n Wild products either, so I thought this would be a fun test to also not only try out the mascara but try out their product. So let's just have a look online and see what the description says. So it says, a volumizing mascara. We're taking high volume, dramatic and amplified lashes thanks to the Mega Protein mascara. This high performance formula takes your lashes to the next level by defining and extending them to the maximum. Clumps, never heard of them, thanks to the super separating applicator. So it sounds pretty good in the description, which is kind of what made me buy it. It says it's not clumpy, it will volumize them to the max. So it'll be interesting to see what this looks like. So let's just go straight into the video and try it out. So it's also waterproof, which is good. I've already done my face makeup, so I'm just going to be trying the mascara today. So let's just try it on this eye without curling my lashes. So this is the applicator. It's quite a small mascara, so there's not going to be too much product in it. So I'm going to apply it to these lashes just to see how it works. I mean, it's not doing much at all, to be honest. I get why it's saying no clumps, but because it's impossible to get clumps when it's like this. I mean, it's not very lengthening, to be honest. It's not really darkening them very much either. Like, you can tell the difference, but not really. I mean, I'm trying to add a bit more product just to see if it's working well, but it's really just not. Let me try and put some on the bottom lashes and see how good it is there. So it's lengthened them a little bit. It has lengthened them, and you can tell the difference. But it seems like a little bit extra work to use it. You know, it does look okay. It's not the worst mascara. For £2.50, this is actually quite good, realistically. If you're thinking about the price, it's not bad. But this would not be one that I'd just pick up, quickly throw on some mascara and leave, because you need to apply quite a lot. I mean, I know how my eyelashes work usually, and usually they would lengthen more than this. You'd be able to tell. But let me curl these lashes and see if it makes a difference. So I'll curl these ones. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see on camera, but my eyelashes have already made a difference, because they are actually quite long when they're curled. So you can see them much better now. So it might be easier. It might be much better. Yeah, so it's way better actually with when your eyelashes are curled, because as you can see that one way more than this one. I hope this is it's getting a lot on my skin though. I don't know how, because I'm not even touching my skin with it. it's quite messy, to be honest. Like it's kind of getting everywhere and it's a bit dropped out. I don't know how it's getting on my skin like that. It's not touching my skin, look. Ah! This is not an easy applicator because this does not usually happen. It's kind of just getting everywhere. I don't know how that's happening, how it's getting everywhere, because that doesn't usually happen, and I'm really trying to be extra careful now to make sure that it doesn't do that. There is a big difference in the mascara without curling my lashes and with curling my lashes, that is for sure. And I'll just do my bottom lashes real quick as well. It's such a messy applicator. This is not me, because usually you can look back through my videos, I do not get it all over my eyes like this, but as you can see like there, it's all under my eye and it's all there on top of my eye as well. Yeah, so it's no good for my eyelashes really unless I curl them, because you can definitely see it if you curl them, and it is quite pretty. It is a nice mascara, and I quite like that it's smaller because you can get in there a little bit better, but also it's a bit of a mess. I don't know why. So my opinion all in all, I'm kind of 50-50. If you want an affordable mascara, this is definitely the one to get, because it is £2.50. That is nothing for a mascara, and it does work. As you can see, you know, it's lengthened my eyelashes, it has made them darker, obviously this made them black, but my only problem is that it's made such a mess, and it's a good applicator so it doesn't make your eyes clumpy, your eyelashes clumpy, but it just is making a mess, and that is a problem for me. But if you don't mind, just clean it up after. I mean, £2.50 is nothing, is it? So I would probably recommend this mascara, to be honest. It's in the shade Very Black, and yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you do end up buying this, or if you've tried it before, and what your opinions are of this mascara. And I shall see you in my next one. If you did like this video, please give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon for notifications for when I upload videos in the future. So thanks for watching guys, and I shall see you in my next one.